Today's Saturday. It's 9:30 right now in the morning. I just finished dropping my fiance off at work. So today I'm basically gonna be working on the Civic. I'm gonna actually take out the.
Really, nigga?
Come on, bro. I'm gonna be working on the. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna be working on the Civic today. I'm gonna basically take out the radiator fan because I literally melted it and my car literally almost caught on fire. So quick story, I took out the car. My fan, if you guys noticed in the other video, I told you guys that it was making like a weird clicking noise, and every time I used to turn the noise to like click, and the motor was making like a weird noise, like the motor of the fan. So I knew I had to switch it out. I think I was gonna have to switch it out this early, but I took the car on maybe like a 10-minute drive, and then I'm driving and I start smelling like this weird, like it smelled almost like burning alcohol. So it's me and my girl's little brother, and then we're like, nah, it's not the car. It can't be the car. Because then I turn off the fan, and then like the smell goes away. So I'm like, nah. But I started smelling it like coming through the vents. So at that point, I'm just like, all right, I gotta pull over. I was on a conduit, so you know I have to like pull over to the side. So the first place I found to pull over, I pulled over, picked up the fan, opened the hood, and literally the fan was just smoking. And was on, like, literally was on fire, was melted, and it was just a disaster. And I was like, oh my god. So I went, turned off the fan, and what I ended up doing was grab the blade and I cut the power wire, and I just wrapped the power wire around so it would be no power. It was literally smoking. If I would have not noticed, I would have been driving, and who knows what could have happened. But literally my car could have just burned down, and I had to drive back. With no fan, thank god it was cold, so it didn't really do much. But right now I have another stock OEM fan, which is, let me show you guys, it's right here. So I cleaned it up yesterday. You guys can see it's right here. I cleaned this up yesterday. I got this actually from my brother's car. When my brother got rid of his other Civic, I was like, you know, this is usually what goes bad on cars and stuff like that. And I don't really go with the slim fans because they don't pull as much air. And then I don't really need to buy like a FAL fan so I could blow a lot of air. This fan literally does me justice. It's perfect. My temps are cool in the summertime, so there's no need for me to get like a different fan. So cleaned it up. Obviously this you can't really do anything, but as you guys can see, it looks literally brand new. Cleaned it all around. So my dad's outside also. He's gonna connect this the way he did the other one. So obviously this is ground, this is power, so we're going to connect this one to where the ground is at, and this one to the power switch, and then yeah, we should be good to go. So let's go outside and get the day started, guys. Alright, so took the catch can bong off, took off the radiator clamp over there. As you can see, look at the fan right there, completely melted in. Right there was just smoking. So with this one, if it's still good, what we're gonna do is just take the motor out of that one, and then I brought this motor from another one, so it should be the same thing. So I'll have another. I can still use that shroud and fan. And just put this motor in. It's the same one as this one. Should be the same exact one. I think it's the same one. So I don't gotta go to waste. I'm gonna try to just take out the fan from right here because it looks like it's gonna be a lot of work to take everything out, and it's freezing outside. So then we just try to 2 bolts on the bottom, so then we can just finesse the fan out. Also my damn ratchet also. My dad gave me that one. So you're just gonna run this one to the power switch, and then this one to the negative. My power switch is right here. I run it to a fan, so I run it with a switch, so on and then off. Anything that'll be funny to put out. Alright, so look at the aftermath right here. You guys can see, literally just melted through all of that. It melted right through there. So it's supposed to be melted up like that. You guys can see like that. Literally melted through there, completely melted through here, and it's just stuck. So you can't even use this anymore. Cause it literally melted through the tabs and everything. So if anything, when this one goes, anyway, these things are only like $36. So yeah, this is why this whole thing just, I guess, got hot, just melted, and the whole thing was literally just smoking. The little head part. It's hitting on it, so the plastic doesn't. It doesn't deflect. You can look at it right here. You see the plastic part? It's hitting right here on the top, so it's not. It's not letting you able to like push up that much. All right, so you got the fan on. Now just have to run the wires. Reaches? Yeah. The ground right here. You're not gonna reach up. This turbo's already going, so I have to basically, I have another one downstairs, but my dad's gotta get a short wrench, because as you guys can see, it's hard to get into here basically. A wrench with the block being here and like literally no space. So we did it last time. We used a cut wrench, but I'm gonna get another one, and hopefully the other turbo have the exhaust literally is positioned the same exact place, so I could just literally put the exhaust on and still be able to come on right through here. But all I gotta do is literally just take these 4 bolts off, feed line, the return, these pipings down here, and then I could just take the whole turbo and the exhaust out through the side. And then when I get the other one, just gotta clock it, because as you guys can see, this one sits, instead of sitting straight, it sits that way. Alright, so we just finished up. Blow up. Well, we just finished, and my car, when I turn it on, it doesn't have like it'll just like immediately die, and I have to keep my foot on the gas. And usually, well, I used to not do that before, so I just took off the IAC, because usually it's the IAC being clogged or something, and that thing is super clogged. I can't find no brake cleaner, so I'm just gonna use some WD-40 microfiber and just scoop it all that dirt. Show the light real quick so you can see how dirty it is. Now put the light there so you can see how dirty it is. Look at that. That is not supposed to be that dirty. That is completely clogged. And that's with that's basically when you turn the car on, that little valve opens and lets more air go through. So so the car could idle. So hopefully that's my issue, because I hate having to literally hold the gas for like a whole minute. That's like literally having no IAC. So I'm gonna spray W40 on a rag and see if it works. Yeah, so I cleaned it. Nah, it still doesn't work. It didn't do anything. So whatever. Just gotta keep my foot on the gas for about 30-40 seconds, and then it just stays idling right now. So yeah, she's good. Fan works. Everything is good. Got to put a little bit more coolant. I think the coolant probably, some of the coolant probably burnt off when the temperature went to like 3/4. It went to like 3/4 just for like literally like 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Then I turned it off and just let it cool down. So I guess it probably just burnt off some coolant. But I'm gonna add some coolant and yeah, should be good to go. What's going on, guys? So it's another day. Basically, just wanted to let you guys know I forgot to close out the video on Saturday. And I'm gonna basically continue on with a couple of clips of Julio at the dyno. You guys don't know, but Julio dynoed his car maybe about like a month ago, but we just haven't had any like more footage. And his transmission was broken, so he fixed his transmission, so the car was down. And I was busy with like the CRV. That's when, you know, the transmission on the CRV was going bad also. So it was just a whole bunch of like mix of crazy stuff, whatever. So I'm just going to throw in a couple clips of him getting his car tuned. He's not going to put his numbers out there because obviously Julio races his car and doesn't really want people to know his numbers, because people start complaining and bitching and this and the third. So the numbers are not going to be shown. Car made good power. That's all you guys need to know. So it's just about 5 or 6 clips of him getting the car tuned, and then just him doing a pull on the way going home. So I just wanted to add that because that was supposed to be like a whole nother like separate video. But we just haven't had any time, and Julio took off the he took the insurance off of the Civic already because it's cold. The car does not have no heater core, no heat, no nothing. So he took it off, put it on the CRV. So now he's gonna fix up the CRV and do what he does, use the CRV for the winter time, and then when it starts getting warm again, put the Civic back on insurance and drive it, because he's not gonna be driving it with no heat anyway. So why pay for a car? So yeah, so I'm gonna put these clips here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Trying to reach 20,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys like this video. It does a lot for my channel, like I told you guys before. Shows my videos on a lot of people's suggestions list. The more likes I get. So please, guys, make sure you smash that like button, like it up. For me, I don't really ask you guys for much. Just make sure you comment anything down below from the video. Just like the video for me, guys. I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers. I'm literally like 1,900 away. So can we hit 20,000 subscribers, guys? Please do it for your boy. Anyways, guys, to enjoy. Peace. Enjoy these last clips.